Look, he said, most times people come to me and say, Pastor, I want to get married. But that means I will laugh. I will evaluate some things. Now you, the Siam say it's not possible. Now you, the Siam, you see. When I get married, I don't have the means. I don't have the means. It's not where humanly speaking I can be married. Humanly speaking, I'm serious. Humanly speaking. There's nothing, there's no way. The worst part, I was a student. But guess what? When I understood this secret, God can alter nature. Can alter nature. I said, yes, in my father's house, in my mother's house, let it be the first of its kind. Are you getting me? Guess what? And on that day, my mom, she was shouting, she was screaming. I said, what happened? How come? Are you getting me? My son is a student too. Is a student. Why? The reality of the manifestations of God, making it a reality. Talking to you now, to be frank, I cannot remember. And list, I said, this person sent me money. I have their list. There's something that is a mystery I cannot explain. My marriage video is still there till date. If I look at the gifts they were sharing, I didn't buy any gift. I look at the fruit they were eating, I not cook the fruit. No, assuming at least till today, how many years ago? But he now said, come about these things. Mystery. This year, those that knows you, that refuse to help you, God will send strangers to help you. When I just said it, I heard it. I left what I was saying and I prophesied. So what I heard, those that know you too well and are refusing to help you, they might be in London, in Canada, and they know you. I pray strangers this year will help you. 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 Jesus. God can alter nature.
Yes, sir.
The most time, our mind is still facing my uncle, my auntie, my husband, my wife, my children, my friends. My still face based on those we should meet God based on those we know. No, and that can tell you and so God. Those we know. No. Yes. I've enjoyed the help of strangers. Somebody that did not know me from Adam gave me his life savings. Yes, sir. We're not friends in any way. We didn't know exception. Then we met at an encounter. And he said, I've been saving this thing from his parents to him. From birth. Yes, sir. I didn't know him from Adam. Because based on my humanity, I will until later say, I can locate this guy. My humanity, that is my human part. Human part. I can locate him, I only appreciate it. Stranger. You know from Adam. But I understand God can alter nations. That morning God spoke to me. That morning he spoke to me. I heard God laugh and clear. So God has spoken. I began to act like a fool. I began to act like a fool. As I was acting, I joined a stranger. I didn't tell him anything about God spoke to me. Nothing. By the time we met, there was this irresistible, favor. And he said, what I'm about to give to you is my my savings from birth. A stranger, two strangers, but from birth. And it's life savings. He gave it to me. Life savings. Yes, sir. Life savings. Life savings. I was stranded. I was helpless. I was hopeless. I was like alone in this world. I said, God, I will die here this week. May they come to rescue me. I was not joking. And I slept. By about 5 a.m., I heard his voice like a thunder. Spoke to me. God has caused, met someone, a stranger. I said, my son is coming. Help him in a hurry, in a hurry, in a hurry. God can alter nature for your sake. So I pray for you this year. God will alter nature for your sake. 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 Please be seated. I am not distinguished from time. I have never walked in a place, I'm telling you from the beginning, I see my job as my source. Never. Whether business, whether job, I understand that to walk, you must walk because it's part of divine instruction.
Yes, sir.
You must walk. But God never said your job is your source. Never. God never said that. Never. He said, I am your source.
Yes,
What do you mean of Abba? Abba means source, resource, and sustainer. That I'm your Abba, Father. No. Source. So from beginning, sir, from time, working with bosses from the beginning, most times I end up becoming their blessing. It's a mystery, I'm telling you. I might be the least staff among all the staffs. But on my boss, I'll be the one blessing it. But I mean blessing it, I'm not receiving. I mean, get what I'm saying now. The boss, at one time, my boss couldn't hold it anymore. He said, I'm not going to feel this guy. It's not like you. He may not understand me, understand mysteries and covenants. Covenant. Because riches is a spirit, not labor. What I was doing, I was attracting the spirit they carry. You don't understand me? You don't understand. I was not activated. Because what you celebrate, you what you attract. I was activating the spirit they carry. Spirit. Because which is, I repeat, which is what? The spirit. God spoke to Solomon that if you have asked, I would have what? No, say you don't ask for riches. So that's what that means. You can ask for riches.